We're going to start in our Plaid dashboard, home to everything you need to set up, personalize, and manage your experience. Firstly, what we're going to do is generate a link to send to a customer. Here you can see all of the reports that have already been generated, and in the top right-hand corner, we can see the button in order to generate a new link. Once selected, here you enter the customer details, specify the date range that you like, and you can generate a link once these details have been entered. This enables you to enter a specific reference and also specify any other products that you'd like to use. Now, you're ready to send this to a customer. So, across the user experience, they can be sent a link by any channel, including on your behalf by Plaid. Upon opening this, they are taken to a Plaid hosted page where they go through the super simple consent journey. Here, you can see it's fully customizable, where you can upload your logo, brand colors, and even change the button. This is where the user will consent to the data that they're agreeing to be shared, and then they'll go ahead and move across to the bank selection screen. Now you can see the list of banks, which was specific for the market that's been selected. And from here, I'm going to select Barclays as my main bank. Here, I authenticate with the bank, the normal journey that you have today with open banking, and redirect back to Plaid to complete the journey. Here, you now see our unique income verification product, where you can verify the sources of income pulled in real time from the Barclays bank account that I just connected. So, going ahead here, you can see the income sources that we have available. Here, this user has 2 income sources, payroll for you, which is their standard monthly salary, and they also do some work on the side for delivery. They can select these income streams, but if they have other income streams in the transactional data, they can drop that down and they can select any incoming transaction into the connected account. Having continued, they can then see a summary of the income data that's been pulled from the account, including the most recent deposit, and in this case, 12 months earnings, as that was the date period that I selected in the dashboard. Another cool feature for the income verification product is that you can connect multiple accounts. So you can see the button at the bottom, which allows you to add another bank without leaving the experience, making it easy for the user to go ahead. They can then click allow, and that data is then shared with you and available in the dashboard. All income sources and transactional data are aggregated from our side, so you don't need to do anything in terms of worrying about multiple connections. So back over to the lender experience and back to the dashboard. Now you can see that Layla's details have been added to the dashboard as she's completed the consent journey. So we're going to go ahead and click into that. From here, you can get a glimpse of the dashboard itself. Within here, we cover several major things, and immediately you can see that we have a cash flow chart demonstrating the balance that Layla has had over the period of time. You can also click through the expenditure. Here you see all of Plaid's credit categories, which are specifically designed for lenders, and a summary of essential and non-essential spend. We also have the income that she selected, both total categories, so you can see everything that's coming to the account, and in this case, we're going to select the delivery. Here, the delivery income is then shown against whatever else has been selected for the chart, and you can see how regularly she gets paid. You can also change the time horizon, and you see a full detail of all the transactions that reflect what have been selected in the filters. You can also export the PDF to a PDF format. And on the profile tab, you can get all of the information around the account holders' names on all of the connected accounts, the balances, and more details on the accounts themselves. And that's it. That's all you need to do to get started with open banking.